Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is HTML series for beginners, and now we are going to see HTML headings. So what is HTML headings, and how we can define that HTML headings. So heading are defined with the H1 and H1 to H6 tags. These are the heading tags available in HTML, so we can use them to show our headings in our web page. So the search engine uses a heading tags to index structure of web pages. So many of search engines such like Google, Yahoo and Bing use the HTML tags to structure the web pages and index the web pages. Also we can resize them. Actually it's come with a default font size, but we can also define a specific size using a style attribute and font size, just like a 32 pixel. This come, you can define it with pixel, so we can resize them. And also it breaks the line. Just if we define this same line, so it will not show us this same line in a web page. It will break it like this. Also we can see these HTML tags in our web pages, just like this. So this is HTML headings, and coming videos we will see the paragraph styles, formatting, tables, images, lists, such like this. So please subscribe my channel to see the upcoming videos. Thank you.